throttle at the HOG check-in. This is where you get your pin strapping done for free if you're a HOG member. Free tattoos. Free haircuts. Look at that. Woo. Came all the way to Sturgis to get a freaking haircut. And from here we're gonna head to Deadwood, go eat in Cheyenne Crossing, and then we're probably going downtown. But we're still trying to get it's Thursday, and we're trying to get the HOG challenge done. We've only done 2 stops, so we're gonna ground and pound today, tonight, all day tomorrow to get the last 4 checkpoints that we need, so we can get this